Hey, so it's currently about 5:30 in the morning. Me and Mike are going to a market today to sell our phone cases. We do custom phone cases on the spot. We did it for the first time last week. It was fun, we made some money, we met some people, so today we're gonna go check it out again. We got 1 hour and 40 minutes to spare because I won't let us in till 8 AM. Alright, no worries. Yeah, sure. They just said that there's no power. If we don't get power, you know, we're not going to be able to do this today. Yeah. Obviously we need power for the printer, the heat press. If we can get power, I'll be happy. Obviously. Check how slim this is. We're driving through the actual market. It's like a drive-through, but you don't have to pay it. You go boing. Morning.
Morning. Good luck today.
Thanks, you too. The last time we came here, there's this guy and he does the same thing as us. And we asked him, we were like, oh, how do you go at this market with your phone cases? And he's like, oh no, phone cases, it's really bad. But he was just trying to say the phone case side of his sales were going bad, just so that we wouldn't come. We'll prove him wrong today. Forgot the light stand to hold up our sign, so I haven't told Mike yet. I forgot the light stand for the sign. If you don't already know, me and Mike have our own phone case business. YouTube's the main thing we do, and then, you know, throughout the week here and there we do the phone cases. The whole business used to be just pre-designed cases, but we just recently opened up custom cases, so you can go on our website and you can put any photo you want and we'll print it custom. But today we've come to a market to set up with all our equipment, and we can actually do on the spot custom phone cases. It's good to have zero expectations, because if you think you're gonna sell heaps and you think it's gonna go great and then it doesn't, you're gonna be let down. So I have no idea how today goes, but it's just good that we're out here.
We'll print anything for you. Car, your bike, your kids, your house, your logo.
How to sell shit with Mike and Liam. So to describe the market, it's pretty much people just selling random shit. There's car chargers, wireless chargers, other people selling phone cases. There's just a good mixture of everything. There's food. People come here to just have a look at random shit, and we've got phone cases. It sort of fits the criteria for this market. We're trying to do another print and the power's turned off. We got to go find some staff because if we don't have power, we can't print any phone cases.
Sometimes I get overloaded. One breaker runs 3 GPOs, so if it gets overloaded, it's gonna yeah. Just met with Andrew, who follows us on Instagram. He does photography as well. What would you say like your main sort of style of photography is?
I love landscape.
Landscape,
I've been getting into portraits recently.
What lens are you using? Have you checked out the 35 now?
No, I need it. I really need it.
Oh, bro, you got to check it out for sure. You just got some phone cases as well. I'm gonna try and stack some of these up. We can do custom phone cases on the spot here, and you send any photo you want of your kids, whatever, your car, and we'll print it in 10 minutes.
Otherwise, we have an online shop. You can drag and drop.
That was a huge day. I really didn't even have time to vlog that much, but we're done now. Now it's time for the pack up. I did not expect it. So valuable going to these events. Like if you're ever thinking about doing a business idea and you're not really sure how to start,
Just start by going to markets because it cost us $28 to get in. So
Yeah.
you have a whole day, you can sell, you can meet people, hand out business cards.
Just helps with your confidence as well. If you find
Yeah.
that you're a bit introverted and you're not really too confident with speaking and you want to get better at speaking, but you're not really too sure on the way to do it, it's just like anything. The more you practice, the better you get.
If you like this style of video, let me know in the comments below. And as always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.